They don't have nothing not there, Miss Marcia. Nothing at all not there. When me say nothing, Miss Marcia, nothing not there. What was your phone number again? 312 are the phone number. 4840. 312 4840. Probably you could have sent a credit to the Lime, or did you say? Lime. 312 4840. Send a credit to her and make she put her on the internet because she are gonna get some call. She don't have a WhatsApp. Nothing. No water, no food, nothing not there. Nothing. Oh God. 312 4840. Say come on. Yeah. 312 4840. Jesus Christ. Yes, Miss Althea. 312 4840. Oh God. Mr. Brown, we are going to try. We are going to try. We are going to try. We have to just see who. Oh boy. 312 4840. I saw you go, Mr. Brown? Yes. 312 4840. Lime. 312. You can manage this or not, Mr. Brown? You alright? You can. 312 4840. Yes, Miss Marston. How you pinning? Pinning number for me, no? Alright, her name, Miss Jennifer. Yes, she do. She have ID. Lime. Jesus Christ. Everything, the man work over 20 years. Queen man house, the man building good house out of porridge and soap, you know. The man there, the work, the man are sending you. The man, he was the breadwinner. And the man are the breadwinner of the house, you know. Oh God Almighty, brother. No, sir. Sickness. Oh God. You have anything else to say, sir? Ask for the help. Ask for it.
By the grace of God, whatever you can do, I'm not going to tell you do this or do that. I'm just asking you, God is able. And I believe in God Almighty. I thank you. It's 2 years now I've been live for straw. Don't know how my life turned. My back is hurting me.
Your back? You want to go lay down?
Yes.
People, me I go end the live here. 312 4840. Althea Brown. Please, you can call here and speak to him. Please. Miss Brown!